Hello friends, welcome back to another video. So today in this video I am going to discuss about the scam which is going on presently OLX and some other sites. So the seller will tell commonly, I got this laptop for 00. I will show the trick for you also, and they are taking the money and not showing any trick. So in this video I am going to explain the full details about this, how it is look and how we can make this as product as 00, it is real or fake, and how we can find this. So today in this video I am going to explain the full detail about this. So before going to the video, small request friends, please do subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon and click on all to get all the notification from our channel. Watch the full video, and if you have any doubts please do comment down below and comment your opinion also about this scam. So now let's get into the topic. So as you can see here, presently I opened the MacBook and the cost is 00 rupees. So this is basically happened like, for example, we can do this in anything friends. So as you can see here, I opened the official website only, as you can see here. So previously I explained about some of the scam over here in my channel. So that scam helps to how you can helps to find how the scams we can find it, and how we can find different types of scams and all. I explained it, as you can see here. If you not yet watched our video, you can watch that video, so it will be helpful for you also. So please do share this video with your friends also. So now let's see how we can do this. So as you can see here, it is of flipkart.com only, and also it is secured, and also everything is good, going on good. Flipkart branding, everything is good. So now let's see how we can do this as for 00 rupees. So now let's open this once. So as you can see here, MacBook so out of stock. So I will be showing with the stock which is available. So as you can see here, commonly what the hacker has something scammer will do is just he will come over here. So as you can see here, so just right click and click on inspect. So just click on it. So as you can see here, before doing that, so just once let us copy the price of the laptop. So once you find, so just copy it, control C. So and here, come here and press control F. So here as you can see here, search button. So just paste the cost which you are searching here. So once you find the cost, so just click here. So as you can see here, so let us do the price as 0, and here also 0, and the 999 also 0. So let us back press it, so 000. So now let's see how the changes will happen. Just come over here and just click on the page. So as you can see here friends, so I got the MacBook Pro for the free of cost for the 0 rupees. Just what they will do is just they will take this tool or so use some tools, and they used to just do like this. Just they will take the screenshot and they will upload in our in some other website, or they will do. So as you can see here, basically we have the same Flipkart name, as you can see here over here, Flipkart, and also it is secured also. So this is an static page friends. Make sure the static page, nothing but the page can't be like if they refresh that the price will be changed. So I will show you. So commonly they will say in OLX, I got this for this much price, so I'm selling this price. So you can, I'm in other cities, so if you pay I will send the products, they will do like that. And some other website they will tell that we got this much and we will sell for this price for the 50% of discount. They will do some like this scam. So they will changing here, the pointer is here, it is showing the price. So when I bring back here, so let us change the price here over here. So I'll make it as 0. So just click over this page. So as you can see here, so just click on code. So here, as you can see here, this the prices become 0. So once you refresh this page, or else you can click on buy now, so it will automatically change to the normal price plan. So it won't come for anything for free from the Amazon or else Flipkart, that persons can't be hacked these sites also. So normally the procedure will be happening like this. So many will tell that I will buy the MacBook, I will buy the laptops, I will buy the keyboard for the free of cost, I will use this method, that method and all. No, nothing friends, just this people, scammers will do this process only normally. So you can directly find by refreshing this page. So I will refresh this one. So you can try this in yours also. So this is a video only for the educational purpose, to know the how the process will be go on. So this normally what happened is, so just I will refresh the page and I will show you. As you can see here, the price came back. So just click on, right click on it, so inspect. So here what happening is, so all the code will be displayed of this page. So the every page contain its own code, own design, own language. So when we search for the code in the code, when we do the changes in it, so this page will be in static. When the loading is completed, the page will be in static mode. When it is in static mode, we can change it anything, like we can do the for example, we can change this name also. So to change the name also, you can just copy it. So you can paste Control F and Control V. So whatever you do changes here over here, so the changes will be happening here. So basically what will happen is, when we the page in static mode, whatever the code you change in the background, so it will be displayed in this. So basically this is what happens. So once you refresh this page, so the data will be fetched and the page will be come back to you. So this is the process what the some scammers will use friends. So don't trust those people if we are giving this much, that much. So this is basically happened like this. So not only for the MacBook friends, you can use this process for anything friends, any website also. So you can directly use it, not for the only for the MacBook. So for example, I shown for the MacBook, you can use for any laptop, any TVs, any mobiles, any keyboard, anything friends. A to Z products can be done like, we can do like this. So you can don't do believe this kinds of scammers. So that's all for this video, and if you have any doubts, please do comment down below and share your opinion below, and share this video with your friends and family members, so that only they too can know some such kind of scams are happening. So that's all for this video friends. Thank you friends, thank you for watching this video.